Tenants, are you struggling to find space to lease in Austin, Texas? Maybe your business is looking for office space, retail space, or warehouse space. Well, in Austin, we have some of the lowest vacancy in the country. So finding space that's available and a landlord that wants to do a deal is very, very difficult. This is the #1 reason why you would use a commercial real estate tenant rep broker. #1, they level the playing field. Most tenants only lease or purchase commercial real estate every few years. Landlords deal with the process on a daily basis. A good tenant rep broker will have the experience and the knowledge to negotiate on your behalf and help you achieve business goals, saving you money on your lease or purchase. They will work for your best interest, not the landlord's. It's also going to save you money. Tenant reps know the industry inside and out, and they can effectively negotiate the economic terms of your deal. You wouldn't attempt to file a lawsuit or perform a surgery without a qualified professional, so why would you do a commercial lease without that broker? They're equally complex and best handled by experts. Tenant rep brokers can put you in the best possible position for long-term success and save you money in the process. Save time. As your tenant rep experts, we do all the heavy lifting. We do the site evaluation, site analysis, market analysis, competitive site analysis. We do your letter of intent. We negotiate the lease. We coordinate you with professionals that you may need: architects, contractors, civil engineers, and attorneys. This saves you valuable time. Quite honestly, you wouldn't have the Rolodex of professionals that I have, and effort, allowing you to focus on your business, which is what you do daily. You also get access to all available sites. To be clear, 50% of commercial real estate leases are done off market in Austin, Texas. Most retail never makes it out to CoStar or LoopNet or all of the places that the general public can go look. 90% of all restaurant and bar leases are done behind closed doors. They're done by brokers that know each other, that have the tenant base, have the spaces, etc. Also, a good tenant rep broker has done leases with hundreds of landlords. So whenever they see our letter of intent, they know how we do business and that we'll get it across the finish line in a win-win situation so that you get your lease space, the landlord gets a good tenant, and all of those things, they don't occur without the connections that your commercial tenant rep broker has made over decades. Find the right location. Again, very tight market here in Austin, so it's not like you have a lot of choices. However, a good tenant rep broker will know what all is on the market and off market and help put you in a place that you have determined is a good place for your business to be. If that's office and you want it near your employees, we understand that. If it's retail and you need to be on a highly walkable street like South Congress or East 6th Street, we understand that. We know the landlords, we know the brokers doing those deals, and we can get you close to your target, if not exactly in the middle of it. Here's the biggest thing, and this is what most tenants want to know and are most excited about. It's no cost to you. In general, in Austin, landlords pay the tenant rep commission. This is not always the case. Again, if you want to get a space on South Congress for your restaurant, oftentimes tenants pay their tenant rep broker simply because the landlords, they don't have to pay commission. These are all of the relationships that we've built over decades, so we know what landlord does what and what landlord broker does what and where we can get you in. But for the most part, there is no cost to you. Landlords pay our commission because they know that we vet our tenants and we're bringing them who's going to work in their property.